following back references of unknown kinds in NDB. I'm in the process of writing my first RESTful web service atop GUI and the Python 2.7 runtime. I've started out using Guido's shiny new NDB API. However, I'm unsure how to solve a particular case without the implicit back reference feature of the original DB API. If the user agent requests a particular resource and those resources 1 degree removed. Host/API/kind/ID, depth equals 2. What's the best way to discover a related collection of entities from the 1 in a one-to-many relationship, given that the kind of the related entity is unknown at development time? I'm unable to use a replacement query as described in a previous SO inquiry due to the latter restriction. The fact that my model is definable at runtime, and therefore isn't hard-coded, prevents me from using a query to filter properties for matching keys. Ancestor and other kindless queries are also out due to the data store limitation that prevents me from filtering on a property without the kind specified. Thus far, the only idea I've had, beyond reverting to the DB API, is to use a cross-group transaction to write my own reference on the 1, either by updating an ndb.string property, repeat equals true, containing all the related kinds when an entity of a new kind is introduced, or by simply maintaining a list of keys on the 1 ndb.key property, repeat equals true, every time a related, many entity is written to the data store. I'm hoping someone more experienced than myself can suggest a better approach. Given JMOR 253's suggestion, I'll try to augment my question with a concrete example adapted from the docs.
Sound like a good use case for ndb.structured property.
Interesting question. So basically you want to look at the contact class and find out if there is some other model class that has a key property referencing it, in this example phone number, but there could be many. I think the solution is to ask your users to explicitly add this link when the phone number class is created. You can make this easy for your users by giving them a subclass of key property that takes care of this, e.g. Exactly how you pick the name for the collection and the value to store there is up to you. Just put something there that makes it easy for you to follow the link back. The example would create a new attribute on contact. Edit it to make the code working and to add an example, happy smiley.